brilliant Range Rover Velar. This is the D300 R-Dynamic SE in a colour called the Corris Grey. 38,000 miles, 2017, 67 registration, going live now. And the good thing with this car is the price range, it's just not going to hang around. Beautiful colour, but most importantly, which I would recommend, is the engine. The D300 is a 3 litre, 300 brake horsepower diesel engine. It's superb. The R-Dynamic is all the styling, that's the bigger bumpers, all the sort of rose gold sections, the black sections. It's just finished off really well. Now it is a new model car, remember, so you have the LED style daytime running lights with the LED headlights. This one has front rear parking sensors, reversing camera system, and another big extra on this particular car is the air suspension. Currently sat on access height, with the 20-inch wheels in a matte finish in the lovely dark grey. It sort of fills the arches and looks super cool. There's more rose gold, like the bonnet, and then you have the black window surrounds, sun protection glass, and the electric deployable door handles. The car, for me, is just superb. Because that coupe lining, it's a 5-seater SUV, but the interior, full leather interior, electric seats, you've got Meridian surround sound system, ambient lighting, heated seats, that lovely double glass display, one for the media, one for the climate, dual zone climate control, and this car also has the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. The upgraded steering wheel. The car's done 38,000 miles, but you can see from the condition, that's very careful, 38,000 miles, are very well looked after. The extra features on the speaker system being the Meridian surround. The lighting continues on the door pockets, the door cards underneath here, also the footwells. The back seats are good as new. You have got rear heating system there as well, more USBs, lots of pockets. Very safe car, front, side and rear airbags, impact bars, front, side and rear as well. Alarm and immobiliser. The car comes with 2 keys, full service history. We then put a full 12 months MOT on the car with no advisories. The Velars for us have sold, I mean, they sell themselves, but they just don't hang around for too long. So if you want one and you think, you know what, I want the bigger engine, I want one with spec on, then this is it. Automatic tailgate, the 3D lighting system on the back, which is all LED, and then you have a very good sized boot. Seats go down 40, 40, 20. You've got the bag holders just there on both sides, and then you have the load space cover to hide all your valuables. Underneath here, you've got the spare wheel. It's only a dinky one, but it's better than nothing. The colour, the condition, the service history, engine and spec, all of that has to work hand in hand, and that's what this car is. And I meant what I said. It's going in a price range where it's comfortably affordable, and you're going to get yourself into a beautiful SUV. Full digital TFT dashboard there, memory seat for the driver, lane assist, volume control, stereo controls and Bluetooth controls, and then you have the paddle shift just behind. Put it in reverse, the reversing camera comes on in high definition. Neutral, drive and sport. The 2 keys, cup holder, split armrest with more cubbyhole space and USB in there as well. Navigation's very easy to use. Bluetooth, media, it's all there. You can also tilt the screen, as you can see there, and change your colours. So if you want to go from a black background to a white one, press that all goes white, and so does that. For me, I just think that the car genuinely is awesome. You can angle the screen at different ones to get different views. Lots of legroom, headroom. You feel nice and cool in it, and like I said, just does a cracking job. Most important feature for me on this car is the spec and the engine. Please don't compare this to a D180 or a D240, because it's a completely different car. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.